All right, sports fans, we got another lecture going on today. We got another lecture, so you gotta be excited about this one. You really do. You gotta be excited because I'm about to tell you the problem with the world. I really am right now. I'm about to tell you the problem with the world. So, if you do too much of something, that's bad. If you eat too much of something, that's bad. If you drink too much of something, that's also bad. You know, drinking too much alcohol, doing whatever, all bad. But so they say like moderation is the key to happiness, or moderation is the key to success, or something like that. So if you do moderation, that's supposed to be good. But excessive moderation is bad. So what's the answer? So the answer is like, you gotta find something that you're really passionate about or something, and then do moderation around that. That's kind of the answer. You gotta find something that you're passionate about and then do that in excess, then everything else in moderation, so that at least it's a controlled environment. But then you can also say that doing that theory, you should also do that in moderation, or you can do that theory in like excess. I don't know, but the point is like, even that, because you're only doing one thing in excess, so that's still kind of moderation of what you're doing. So you also have to like be spontaneous, and you can't just completely not be spontaneous. So it's like you got to just find a balance between moderation and excess. But then even if you find a balance, then you could say, oh, that balance is always, I have this much like not moderation, this was moderation. So the amount of things that are not moderation are always being moderated by my internal like moderation scale. So it's just a paradox that will inevitably make you crazy all the time. So you might say like, what's the answer? Yeah, you really might say that. You might say, what's the answer to this problem? And this problem is right here. So it says, everything in moderation, including moderation. So that's like one answer that you might have. But I don't know. There might not be an answer. So yeah, boom.